Is this boy trying to catch his hat?
Yeah,
Are these waves coming to the shore?
absolutely.
Is this a dog playing on the beach?
Nope.
Are these children playing near the water?
Sure.
Is this the father swimming in the sea?
Nah,
Are these food containers on the mat?
definitely.
Is this a picnic basket on the mat?
Yep,
Are these seagulls flying in the sky?
of course.
Is this girl sitting on a chair?
Not really.
Are these fruits on the mat?
Correct.
Is this a coconut tree near the family?
Right.
Are these people wearing coats and gloves?
No way.
Is this the mother cutting bread?
Definitely.
Are these clouds dark and rainy?
Absolutely.
Are these trees growing on the beach?
Sure.
Is this the sea behind the family?
Mm-hmm.
Are these the children's school bags?
Nope.
Is this the sky bright and sunny?
Not at all.
Are these boys sitting and eating on the mat?
I don't think so.
Is this a family having a picnic?
Absolutely.